Hello, and welcome back to another Mountain View Soap Co video. My name is Hannah, and today we are getting back into YouTube. I know it has been a hot minute since I have posted a video, and before that it was a hot minute before I posted a video, but a lot has happened, which is why I always recommend, if you aren't already, follow me over on Instagram or TikTok so I can give you guys some updates. You can hang out with me live, all of that other amazing fun stuff. So first off, the biggest thing, I've moved to Ohio and I now have my own room for soap making, which means not only do I have more space, more storage, but way more of an ability to grow this business and be able to keep up with all of the amazing orders you guys are putting in. Thank you so much for all of the support. I am so very excited to finally be back, finally be consistent again. I know that it has been very annoying to not have any videos going on, but we found out about mid-April that we were moving and we had to move by the end of May. So the second week in May, we ended up moving here to Ohio, just outside of Cincinnati, and so far I am absolutely loving it. It's taking me a little while to get accustomed to having a room and, facing a bit of burnout from all of the amazing things that have been happening, and I think that it's a slow start back up, but I'm feeling the excitement starting to come in and I'm really, really excited. So let me talk to you a little bit about today's soaps. You know what's going on, and then I'll come back in because there's tons of updates. This is a shorter video. The next one will be a little bit longer, but for my first one back, I wanted to take things a little bit on the easier side. So this was my spring gnome soap that I made back in March, and I ended up actually having to remake it a couple times because everybody loved it so much. So that was kind of a big eye-opener for me, and there will be more gnomes coming in the future, I promise. I have 5 designs already planned, so be on the lookout for those. The 3 colors that I'm using in this soap are Ballet Slippers, Bright Yellow Raincoat, and of course Blue Tide, all from Mad Micas, which you can find in the description below. I've kind of forgotten how to YouTube here for a moment. The first time that I did this design, I actually attempted to do a kiss pour and it did terribly. So I decided to just do a normal drop swirl with no hanger or anything, just a drop swirl, and then add the gnomes on top with a little bit of glitter from the Good Glitter, because you guys know that is all I use. It is all I love, and I am absolutely obsessed with their summer colors, which we'll get to in another video. But this was scented in because it's not available anymore, but this was scented in lavender and chamomile. I wanted to go with something that everybody would love for spring, and because my collections got a little messed up and funky for the first part of the year, I just kind of decided to put something random together, and all I had at the time was lavender and chamomile. Regardless, again, I'm so very excited to be back. I am so very excited to see all of the amazing things that come out of this new apartment and Ohio in general. I have a lot of amazing creative ideas coming. I'm working on a Pirates of the Caribbean collection. I'm working on a Blockbuster/Disney collection, which I've mentioned a couple times on the channel. And I'm also working on some more special edition soaps, which I haven't actually introduced to you guys yet. That's more of a TikTok thing, but I will be showing you some of the past special edition soaps that I have made coming up in the next few weeks. So for the top of this soap, I decided to do an infinity swirl, and I love the way that the colors were brought in from the base. This is actually a recording of the second or third loaf I did. And the sprinkles on top, the glitter on top, which I forgot to record on camera, was Spring Fling from the Good Glitter. I will plop my link down below, so if you'd like, you can get 10% off if you use code Mountain View Soap. Not only that, but they just released their new summer collection, and oh my god, you guys, if you love glitter, you have got to check it out. Also, I believe this month, because of Pride, they are going to be donating all of the money and all of the proceeds from their Cosmic Pride? I can't remember the name of it, or Pride Confetti, something like that. Anyway, they're it's on their website, but if you go there, they are also donating all of the proceeds from that glitter. So this is the first of the soaps that I made. This is the first one that I attempted to try. This was the Kiss Pour. It did not turn out the way that I wanted it to. It does not look like a Kiss Pour, hardly at all. I did like the glitter. It's very cute. And this was actually a custom blend that I did before Spring Fling came out. So this was really just a making it work type of a gnome so that I could get some video footage for social media. And then, of course, for YouTube, which I think I made this soap back in March, if not April. And I'm not posting it until June, so that's my life at this moment in time. But I'm going to show you the one that we just made as well, the cut of that bar, because I actually really enjoy that even more than this one. So here's the cut of this bar. And I will say that the gnomes for the upcoming collections are going to be a little bit more detailed. I have some with ice cream, and I have an ice cream inspired one coming, America inspired one coming. But see that drop swirl? I love that so much. I think it's so pretty. I might do a hanger in the future for some of them, but I'm very, very happy with the way that this soap ended up turning out. And if it wasn't for all of the crazy things that happened for me on TikTok, I probably would have made more of this soap. But I will say I do have some new scents on the website, from scrubs and butters to wax melts. So if you are interested in seeing all of the new things on the site, I don't have any new soap yet because, again, I haven't even been here for a month yet. So fortunately, the soap that I've made, which isn't much, hasn't finished curing yet. I've been trying to handle all of my custom orders and stuff like that to kind of give myself a clean slate to work creatively and not have too many deadlines on my shoulders. That, however, is going to probably do it for me today. I'm not sure what the next video is going to be, but I promise you it will be up on Sunday. My days are all mixed up right now. For some reason, I thought today was Wednesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. It's been just crazy trying to get things together and get them all back to normal. But we are slowly but surely getting there, and I am very excited to show you guys a new room tour once I get it 100% set up. It's almost there. I would say it's about 95% of the way there right now. I just have a couple things to get still and a couple things to put up. But for the most part, we are almost there, and I'm going to be back to making normal collections and doing things more on a normal scale, and I'm really, really excited about that. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video back. Again, I know it was a shorter one, and there wasn't too much going on. Unfortunately, the soap is not available anymore, but I do have some fun things coming, so stay tuned. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay.